By using this method, you can earn $20 every minute just to type and get that extra PayPal money you've always wanted. After all, who doesn't like earning money right from their home, right? And this new method is an exciting way to do just that. Plus, you can choose to do this whenever you want, which is great, even if you have a full-time job. With the websites we are about to share with you, you can make $100 or more every week without any hassle. And at the end of the video, there is a special bonus that you definitely don't want to miss out on. So, stick with us till the end to see what we have to show you. Now, let's get into it. Open your browser and search for typingtest.com. This website is basically a place where you can test out your typing skills, and there are different levels to the test. If you click on the time up here, it says you can take the test for up to 10 minutes. And for the level of difficulty down here, there are up to 10 different levels to this. If you've ever heard of Mavis Beacon Teaches Typing, this website is just like that. For your first try, you are not going to do anything too fancy. So, set the time to 1 minute and choose an easy test to begin. It will redirect you to a page that looks something like this for you to take your typing test. The time will start counting down the second you type the first letter. And at the top right here, can you see that? There is the normal and pro option for you to choose from. If you want to make it fun and give yourself a bit of a challenge, you can choose the pro mode. But for this video, we are going to stay in our lane by keeping it normal. We are going to type the text out, and you'll see what happens next. Just give us a few seconds. A little tip here before we go on. When doing this typing test, it is better to do it with a laptop because it can be a bit tricky to do if you are using your phone. Because of this method, you want your typing results to be as good as possible, and typing on your phone may increase the mistakes you make and slow you down. Except if you are a pro when it comes to typing on your phone, it's best to stick with a laptop. The minute your time runs up, the website analyzes everything and gives you accurate reports. On this page, you can see your typing speed, accuracy, and net speed. Apart from the test, typingtest.com is filled with fun games and free typing courses you can take to improve your typing skills if you want. You can just play with the games and courses as a fun way to while away time. Take note of your test results, and let's move on to the next phase of this method. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to make money online through typing, and we are going to be checking out one of the best websites for this. Type transcribeme.com on your browser, and in a few seconds, you will see a page that looks something like this. Transcribeme.com is a really popular website that provides transcription services. The site pays $15 to $22 for every hour you spend transcribing. And in a month, you can earn $250, with the top earners getting around $2,200 every month. Imagine making more than $2,000 every month just for typing. Having the extra money will really go a long way. You have to join their community of transcribers before you can get paid. And you click on the job icon over here to start the sign-up process. There is a lot of information you need to provide before you can start typing. But one of the best parts about this website is that you can put your language skills to work. If you know other languages apart from English, the website will pay you top dollar whenever you transcribe stuff for them. Seriously, I'm not kidding, guys. Fill out all the information here, agree to their terms and conditions, and create your profile. To verify your account, you need to head on to your email and verify the message they sent to you. That's all, and you are good to go. TranscribeMe.com is an amazing website to use if you want to make money online. But, as always, the goal is to make as much money as you can. So, to take your earnings up a notch, we are going to share with you another website that pays just as well as TranscribeMe.com. And you will absolutely love this. CastingWords.com is a website where you can find people to convert audio or video to text. They have a lot of customers waiting and a ton of work for you to do and get some money. It doesn't place any restrictions, so you can use this website wherever you are and whenever you want. On this website, we are looking at how we can earn money from them. And you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Freelancers. It will take you to this page here, and you can click on Register to sign up. There are various stages in the registration process, and once you are done with it, you can easily start making money. For every audio or video you transcribe, you can earn between 85 cents to $1 per minute, and the price varies depending on the task you take and the type of transcriber you are. They pay through PayPal, and the payout happens every week, so you don't have to worry about getting your money. That's why the typing test we discussed earlier is really important. These websites always grade their transcribers, and this may affect how they are paid. This means that the better you are at typing, the higher you can earn from this method. If you are not happy with your writing speed, you can take the writing test as many times as you need to until you get something you are happy with. Since you've gotten to this stage, here is the special bonus we have just for you. There is another website called GoTranscript.com. And just like TranscribeMe.com, this is a website where you can convert audio and videos to text. This website is popular because of its flexible hours and the fact that it is trusted and pays really well when compared to other websites like this. You can choose to only work on tasks you are interested in, and this is another reason why freelancers love this website a lot. On the homepage, there is a lot of information here about what the website does, but we are not customers, so that doesn't really concern us, but you can read it if you want to. Now, what you want to do is scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on the icon that says, Join us as a transcriber. The average amount any transcriber can earn on this platform is $150. And it can get up to $1,215 when you become a top earner. The one thing we like about this website is that it is open to everyone, and it is always nice when a platform like this is inclusive. You can create an account with your email and password, and the website usually takes extra steps like sending an SMS, facial verification, and stuff like that, because they want to make sure that you are in charge of your account. You can't do anything sneaky like buying or selling an account, because that is a serious issue if they discover that you did. After signing in, the website makes you take a simple test to make sure that you have a basic understanding of English and the requirements for transcribers. It takes about 5 minutes to complete the test. And as soon as you are done, you can start making money online as a transcriptionist. You should definitely look into this method if you want something easy to do from your home as a full-time job, or you are looking for a fun way to make some cash on the side. Did you follow the steps in the video? Let us know in the comments below.